Hello and welcome back everyone to our channel Gaming Basics, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can find and go to the bike driving school in GTA San Andreas game. So to go to the bike driving school you just need to come to this location right here. So this location is called the Black Field in your map, and as you can see in the map right here in this digit section of the area, you can come over to here right now. So after you're here, you just have to find this building called Turning Tricks, and you can go in here and you can go over to here, and after that it will tell you that you can start this trial. So if you start this, and if so that's how you guys can. I'm doing the trial right now and I'm learning the bike. So if I exit again, and yes, so here you guys can come and go to the driving lesson in your GTA San Andreas game. So this is how you guys can go to the bike driving center or trial place or whatever you guys can call it in GTA San Andreas. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also, if there is any video that you guys want us to do, then please comment it down below and we will do so for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.